Hello everyone. The objective of this video is to show you how to collect the data and then save it in the spreadsheet. Principal sir would have shared you the spreadsheet link in your WhatsApp. Once you click on the link, this sheet opens up. I request all of you to use your official VVC email to enter the data. Okay, now I have created the profile in various platforms, and I'm sure that all of you would have prepared or would have created the profile in various platforms. Mr. Sabyasachi has already taught you how to create the profile in Publons. Following the similar procedure, you can create your profiles in different platforms. Once you have created everything, once everything is ready, open the spreadsheet and then let us enter the data one by one. Okay, now the Publons, let me go to the Publons web page. Yes, you can see that I have already created the Publons account, and hence I can write it as yes. So I have created the Publons account in the cell. Okay, so please make sure that depending upon your department, select the appropriate sheet, and depending on your name, select that particular row. So I belong to EC, so I have selected EC sheet, and I belong to my name is Sandeep, so I have selected this particular row and I'm entering the data here. Okay, so this is regarding to Publons ORCID. So I'm just going to the ORCID page, and if you see here, this is the ORCID ID for my name. This is the profile. So I'll just copy this and then okay, paste it here. Instead of pasting directly in the cell, I suggest you to paste it in the formula box here. Okay, so yeah, fine. So ORCID number is also entered. Okay, next I have to enter the researcher ID. Let me go back to the Publons page. Now here you can see that this is the researcher ID that is being generated for my profile. So I have copied it. Let me go to the spreadsheet, and then instead of pasting in the cell directly, I'll just go to the formula box and I'll paste it. Okay, so researcher ID is also entered. Now I have to enter the details regarding the ResearchGate. I already have my profile created in the ResearchGate. So if you just go here and click on your profile, this page opens up, and this is the link. So copy it, and then instead of pasting in the cell, paste it in the formula box. Yeah, and then yeah, adjust the width. Okay, so next I have to enter the details of Google Scholar. So I just go to the scholar.google.co.in, log in with my official VVC email, and this profile opens up because I have already created it. So let me copy the link and come to the spreadsheet here and paste it in the formula box. Yeah, okay. And finally I have to enter the Scopus ID. Let me go back to the ORCID web page, and if you go down, you can see that other IDs. This is the Scopus author ID that is being generated for my account. So Control C, and then come to the web page and then paste it in the formula box. So this is how you collect the data and then save in the spreadsheet link provided to you, and kindly use the official VVC email. Now, if you have any doubts in creating your profile in various platforms, kindly contact the department coordinators nominated by the principal sir. In addition to that, if I find any YouTube links wherein you can find out like how to create the profile in various platforms, I'll definitely share with you all. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Also, please note that once you have entered all the data, you don't have to save it or share it. It automatically gets saved in the drive. Okay, you don't have to do anything. Thank you. Thank you so much.